Sup y'all, it's your girl Toutorial with a tutorial on how to install my birthday wig. So we took some Yale products and some pure lanolin and we went ahead and moisturized the scalp and its hair so it wasn't dry as the desert underneath this wig. And we put our bow wow braids in, and y'all, I really wanted this stocking thing to work. I took a foot of a stocking, I cut it off, and I was told that it would make my fake scalp look more like a real scalp, but it would not fit over my head. So I just took that thing off and went and got my regular wig cap and put that on over my head, put it over my eyes to block the haters, and cut my ear tabs out. Okay, after that we took our Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray and sprayed that around the perimeter of my head. And y'all, while I was doing it, my mom and my sister came and surprised me with some cake and gifts because I was gonna be a hot girl in Vegas and they wasn't gonna see me on my birthday. So my mom got me some promises from God because she know I love Jesus, and she know I love sunglasses, and she know I love my name, and got me a gold necklace with my name on it because I have nothing with my name on it, y'all. So then y'all went ahead, blow dried that down and cut all the excess wig cap off, just like I cut the men out my life who don't deserve my time or energy. Okay, and then went around the perimeter, made sure that we laid all of that flat down, and took my Fenty Beauty foundation powder and made myself look like I had a bald head. And after that, look at that wig. Oh, it's all in there now. So we took our wig glue and put that around the perimeter of our head, okay? And we did 2 layers, okay? 2 layers because I was gonna have 2 problems if we didn't do 2 layers. The first one was that my wig was gonna lift, and then the second one was that I was gonna be mad that my wig was gonna lift, and we don't like having attitudes. So laid that wig down, and y'all, I thought I cut the hair off of my head, but it was just the ear tabs. I be forgetting that happens with a new wig sometimes. And then I cut the excess lace off, like I cut my friends out of my life who don't deserve my time. Make sure this is laid around the perimeter, and then we gonna separate them baby hairs and get that part together. Then I use that stocking to melt that lace, y'all, because versatility. And then we're gonna take our wax stick and just go around the part and use our hot comb, make sure we get that flat. We don't want no bumpy wig, y'all. And look at how melted that lace is. I was geeking. For real, it don't look like I was geeking, but I was. And we're gonna get our baby hairs together. Okay, they're looking all nice and pretty. And we're gonna go around with the hot comb, make sure that that is all laid. Again, we don't want a bumpy wig. And after this, y'all, I wrapped my edges again, but I forgot to press record when I was styling my wig, for real. But I got some pictures to show y'all because I was looking cute in Vegas, okay? I was looking like a hot tamale, okay, living my best life on my 24th birthday. So yeah, let me know if y'all want some more tutorials. See y'all later.